You start with a spark, a new idea, a goal, a project, a dream. Maybe it's a book, a YouTube channel, a business, or just a new fitness routine. You're hyped. You make a plan. You even tell people. But then, somewhere between day 3 and day 30, it dies. Your brain loves starting. That dopamine hit, it's real. But finishing, that's where it gets boring. That's where it gets hard. No applause, no hype, just work. And that's why you keep quitting. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a systems problem. You fall into one of 3 traps. The overstarter. You juggle 10 projects, finish none. The start high addict. You chase the thrill of starting over and over, never finishing. The perfectionist. You delay the end to avoid judgment. Sound familiar? Track like a gamer. Gamify your finish line. You'll pull an all-nighter till 4 a.m. grinding a game level. Laser-focused, energized, no breaks. But the next day, you can't even finish a simple task. The difference? Games are built for momentum. Real life isn't, unless you design it that way. Here's the hack. Trick your brain with a low-bar starter. Small wins equals momentum. Shrink the goal. If it feels overwhelming, your brain bails. So shrink it. Make it laughably small. Write a paragraph, not a chapter. Jog for 5 minutes, not 5 miles. 90% of the time, you'll keep going. The biggest threat to finishing? Starting something else. Before you let yourself start another side quest, ask, did I finish what I started? Just give the Pomodoro technique a try. Here's how the Pomodoro technique works, step by step. Step 1. Choose one task to focus on. Just one. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. That's your Pomodoro. Step 3. Work with full focus. No distractions. No multitasking. Step 4. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Stretch. Breathe. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This isn't just about time. It's about training your brain for deep focus. Try it once, and you'll see the difference. Most people quit at 90%, not because the work is too hard, but because they're afraid of what comes after. Perfection isn't the goal. Momentum is. So press through. Finish flawed, because done opens doors. Perfect locks them. If you believe you're a finisher, every decision gets easier. Say it. I'm a writer. I'm a creator. I'm an athlete. Not trying. You are. Become the kind of person who finishes. You're not just finishing a task. You're casting a vote for the kind of person you are.